In this video, I am going to be create an ESXi 8.0 version on a VMware Workstation. I have an customized image because we are using a Huawei hosts. I selected ESXi 8 or later version and I given a name for the VM ESXi 01. Rest all things I am keeping default like a RAM CPU, storage location, and the disk space size also I left it a default. It is asking me to continue. I just enter, then F11 to accept and continue. It is scanning for the available disks. I have only one disk, 127 GB, which is the default. I proceed with the default language. I mean keyboard, providing a root password. Yes. Now proceeding for the installation. It asks me to remove the installation media, then restart it. In my previous video, I've shown unsupported CPU how we going to be. If you notice here, it is showing on right down shift plus 0. So we can interrupt by pressing shift plus 0. Then we're going to be give the CPU state enable like true. Allow legacy CPU equals to true. The command we're going to be enter and then we're going to be install. That's it. Installation completed successfully. It got an IP which is from the static and we can see the host name. So we're going to be log into the ESXi console. So we can see here the network adapters. In this system having only one NIC card. If we have multiple, we can go here and we can select what all are the NICs we going to be activated. So coming down, we can see IPv4 configuration. So I'm keeping the same IP which came from the DHCP. Now I'm going to select the static and I'm keeping the same IP. So the DNS at present I don't have, so I'm not doing any change in the DNS, but I'm going to be changing the host name. Post changing the host name, the system going to be reboot. Want to keep the same name like ESXi -01 for my host. It's a mandatory for the reboot. As soon we change the host name, now we can see the IP and the host name got updated. We can browse the same IP and we can verify the network details. So this is the host. I'll log in through the web console. Here we can see the network. There is no virtual machine. So this is the network, and we can see physical NIC cards. There is only one. If we have multiple, as I shown previously, we can enable over there default port groups, and